Hey guys, I just want to make this video and talk about today what to do when $100,000 a year salary isn't enough for you. Because that's kind of the situation that I found myself in way back in the day when I first started out in this, in the whole online business thing, right? Because, once my wife, who wasn't my wife at the time, but when we got together and started kind of like, realizing that we wanted to spend the rest of our lives together, one of the first steps that we took was to go and buy a house together, right? So when you buy a house together, and then we got married like that same year. And once you kind of like merge your lives and merge your finances and whatnot, then you kind of like get to see, a better picture of, kind of what's going on, not only with, the joint aspect of things, but even just your own finances. And to my wife's credit, she's an absolute amazing person when it comes to like managing money, personal finances. I'm just kind of like, I don't know, irresponsible and dumb in that regard. And she's totally like my counterpoint and is wise and smart and knows what's going on with that type of thing. But because we got together and got married and had a chance to look at, our total finances together, I could see where we were as far as being over $100,000 a year, and that being like a really, a really good situation. Most people would be like, yes, that's awesome. That's really good. But I wasn't satisfied, because I'm like, well, what happens if life gets more expensive? What happens if we have, like 3, 4, 5 kids for some insane reason, and we decide we want to go and have that many children? And, like, what happens if a disaster happens? But so I guess what happened is like during that time, an entrepreneur was talking about how he left his job where he's getting paid a lot of money like this, like $100,000 a year. I gotta take a sip of coffee because my throat's scratchy. And his words were that he went from, that's greasy, it made my lips shiny. He went from making a paycheck to making a blank check, right? Meaning that he could get paid as much as he wanted as far as being an entrepreneur, right? And that's like what the really inspiring thing is about like Clickfunnels and that whole community, is seeing people who've gone and joined the 2 Comma Club. They've gone and taken a sales funnel and made $1 million with it. And some of those guys, you'll see them receiving multiple awards. So like, this funnel made $1 million, and this funnel also made $1 million, and this third funnel also made $1 million. Because once I figured out the process, I just went and duplicated it over and over. So that's kind of one of the reasons why, why you kind of get in this game is, being unsatisfied, or just knowing that there's, that you just want more for yourself, and that, that life could get more expensive, and that you're willing to, spread your message, and you want to help people. And you know that if you help enough people, that the money will kind of take care of itself. So that's it. That's kind of all I wanted to talk about in this one here, in regards to money. This isn't like how to go and make $100,000 right now, but I just wanted to talk to like the entrepreneurial mindset. So if you feel that way, I just want to let you know it's totally normal. So thanks for watching this. We'll see you in the next video.